video, right? Look at my shirt. Wow. Yeah. I like this shirt.
It's pinker than you think.
Wait, este pantalón es tuyo o mío?
Tuyo?
I can match that up.
You say hi? Boo.
That shirt is so much like the one that Chanel has.
Yeah. See
I wonder
this?
if this one is the one
This
that
is
Chanel
pinker than the camera sees it. See that?
has. Dude, these are like leather basically. Kinda.
Dude, they look like leather. Oh my
I
god.
have a pair of leather leggings.
I have a pair of.
But I don't wear them.
I
Madison
have a leather
wears them.
jacket.
Madison wears these gray. They're so cute. She's wearing them to school. What kind of shirt is this? Okay then. This is weird. And the little round thing just came off. Let's see. I want this shirt. Huh? Creo, ves que no te regaño. Sí, pero camisas que yo te pregunto. ¿Tú por qué no me preguntas tú? No, yo te pregunté si lo podía usar una vez para un concierto.
Would this go with yours? That's big. Oh my god.
Goes with the jeans. Dude, look at this. It's like total Aaron's fashion. This is
I like
so
that.
tiny. This is size 5.
I like that.
Do you want to get in here?
I don't know.
I want to get a pair of shoes. Dude, I like this bag.
Look at these shorts. Are they over here? Yeah.
Going with neon colors.
Yeah. That's lighter. Dude, look at it. It looks darker.
Dude, it doesn't even show the color green. Is it like glow in the dark or something? That's weird. That's so weird. Should I get this? I'm gonna try it on just to see how it fits. Going with the neon colors today.
Yeah. I love
I
you.
really like this. Medium. It says medium. Should I get this? Well, just try it on.
Should she?
Yeah. Should I? I'm gonna try it on. I'm going with jeans now. I'm gonna go and check everything. Jeggings. Yeah. These are size large. Huh? A Hollister shirt? What's a Hollister shirt doing here? I'm surprised there's a Hollister shirt. Dude, this is the kind of shirt that Mara would wear. Dude, look at this. Oh, I thought I didn't have this thing. I thought it was like that short, like cut like that.
Oh wow.
I kind of like it.
down to earth clothes.
Dude, oh my god, these are plastic like sequins. Well, all sequins are plastic, but like, look at that.
Dude, it's full of them.
Except for the back.
Oh.
That's weird. This syrup. Huh?
Okay, I'm stopping this. Say bye.
Bye.